Hey friends, today we learn how to remove TikTok profile picture. For that, first of all, open Chrome, search black, click on images, select the black image, then press and hold on, click on download image, then go back and open TikTok. Click on profile icon in the lower corner, then click on edit profile, then click on change photo, then click on select from gallery, select the black photo, click on confirm, then click on save. And you successfully removed TikTok profile picture. If you like our video, please subscribe.